Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my super quick and easy suya prawn salad recipe with you. This is a very light and refreshing summer salad that you can have on its own or as a side. And we need just few ingredients. So let's go over them and get right into it. So we are going to be needing one avocado, some tomatoes which I have nicely diced, but you may cut into any shape or form that you prefer, and some cucumbers. I have sliced mine, but feel free to cut it in any shape. Shredded carrots, some lettuce, sweet corn, jumbo shrimp, and red onion. And I will list them all in the description box below. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of suya powder to my shrimps, some salt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And I'm going to mix everything together until the prawns are well coated. In a heated frying pan, I'm going to cook my prawns for about a minute on each side. And I don't need to oil my pan because we already added oil to the marinade. And as soon as my prawns are done, I'm going to take them out and set it aside for later. In a bowl, I'm going to add my lettuce, and I'm using a shallow wide bowl, but you may use any bowl that you have available. I'm going to add my tomatoes and the rest of my vegetables, and you don't need to follow the same order that I'm following. You can add your cucumber first, then your tomatoes, and then your sweet corn. It doesn't really matter. After adding all your vegetables, you want to season the salad with a little bit of white pepper and black pepper. Now let's set it aside and work on our dressing. And for the dressing, I have just our regular Heinz salad cream. To it, I've added some skimmed milk and a squeeze of lemon. Mix everything together and season with some black and white pepper. You don't need to make this dressing. You can use the salad cream on its own, but I just want a lighter and a refreshing salad, and that's the reason why I'm adding a touch of milk and lemon. Now drizzle all the dressing over the salad and add your prawns. Whilst adding the prawns, remember that this is going to be our final layer and how we are going to present the salad. So you want to do it in a way that is pleasing to the eye and add your avocado. Now add a handful of cashew nuts for some extra crunch, and our refreshing suya prawn salad is ready to be served. The suya in there doesn't make it spicy at all, but it adds a very nice kick to the salad. I really hope you try this. So guys, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your families. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.